Ever toyed with the idea of launching your own YouTube channel? It's not as daunting as it may seem. Just a few easy steps stand between you and your potential audience of billions. Let's kick off that journey right now, shall we? First and foremost, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, setting it up is as easy as pie. Head over to the Google homepage, click on Create Account, and follow the prompts. Remember, your Google account is the gateway to all things Google, including YouTube. Now that you have a Google account, it's time to head over to YouTube. In the top right corner, you'll notice a Sign In button. Click on it and enter your Google account credentials. You're now signed into YouTube, but you still don't have a channel. That's about to change. In the same top right corner, you'll now see a circular icon, which is your Google account profile picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Create a Channel option and click on it. Congratulations, you're on your way to becoming a YouTuber. Next, you'll be greeted with a decision to use your name or a custom name for your channel. If you want a personal channel, your name will suffice. But if you have a unique brand or concept in mind, a custom name might be more fitting. Choose wisely, as this is how your audience will recognize you. Once you've picked a name, it's time to fill out some details. A profile picture, channel description, and links to your website or social media can all be added here. Think of these as your first impression, your handshake with potential viewers. Make it count. Your channel is now live, but it's looking a bit empty, isn't it? That's because you haven't uploaded any videos yet. Click on the Upload Video button, choose a video file, and while it's uploading, you can fill out important details like the title, description, and tags. These will help viewers find your video, so be as descriptive and accurate as possible. Finally, hit the Publish button. Your first video is now live for the world to see. To recap, create a Google account, sign into YouTube, create a channel, choose a name, fill out your channel details, upload a video, and hit publish. It's as simple as that. You're now a bona fide YouTuber. But remember, creating a channel is just the beginning. Consistent content, engaging with your audience, and continuously improving your videos are all part of the journey. Good luck and happy YouTubing.